Hello and welcome to my channel SS Digital World. My name is Sikandar Shah. Today I am going to show how to remove your background image just one click. You no need computer and Photoshop software. You can do it from your Android phone. Let's see. At first open any browser, then type remove bg. Click on remove image background. You can see this kind of interface. I suggest you create a desktop shortcut. It will be better because you no need to open any browser again and again. You can direct open, click on desktop shortcut create. And so go to top right side three dot, then scroll down, look add to home screen, click on this. Wait just a moment, then click on add. Shortcut created. I will show you from that shortcut create. I back from this browser. Look here, shortcut created here, remove bg. Click on this. Then click on upload image. Wait just a moment. Look background erase. Then click on edit option. Here you can see lot of background scenery. You can choose any of them. Also solid color available also. I click one of them. Look, change the background. Also scenery. I choose this. Then click on top right side arrow sign. Click on this. Download image. Then open. Look, the picture is beautiful. Look at. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get update. Thank you for watching.